This place feels like a £1 million home, but it's a lot less, and what you could get it for is actually kind of crazy. This house has 5 bedrooms, this generous driveway, an integral garage, and so much space inside with some lovely design details. Now it also has some serious curb appeal. It's a very striking, modern new build, and it feels very clean with the crisp white render against that timber-clad bay. Just here you have your garage, which would work really well if you are into your cars. However, if you're not, that would make a pretty great home gym. You also have this statement black front door, which definitely makes a strong first impression. This feels like a proper forever home, and I can't wait to show you inside, so follow me. Welcome into your entrance hall. Now this feels like a proper modern entrance, and it feels like a bit of a wow moment when you walk in. They've added some lovely features. So you've got this lighting here which runs through this section of the corridor, and also this feature black staircase with a glass balustrade. Just behind me you'll be able to see a glimpse into the open plan spaces, which I'm very excited to show you. There is actually over 2,000 square feet of space in this house, so there's lots to explore. But so that you can get your bearings in this area here in the hallway, there's also a study on my right, there's a downstairs toilet, and also a more formal lounge at the front, which we'll show you later on. But for now, let's explore the open plan spaces. Through the glass double doors, you're welcomed in to your open plan kitchen, dining and living area, which is very, very spacious. It's over 21 by 18 feet in here, so a great size. And there's also so much natural light. You have this orangery-style window here, and also the rear bifold doors there. Lots to explore in here. You have your dining area just there, a little seating area here. But first, let's take a look at the kitchen. This kitchen is beautiful, and they've done such a great job at matching it to fit with the exterior. It feels very clean, very sleek and modern. Lots of clean lines. So over on this side of the kitchen, we have got handy storage on this side, and then we also have your oven and grill. All the appliances are integrated. You even have an integrated coffee machine, which I love. Further down here, you have so much prep space, which is very handy. And this is a quartz worktop with a waterfall edge, so it feels very premium in here. And speaking of premium, you also have this beautiful big mirror here, which just makes it feel so open. And also they've done a really great job with the lighting. They've got these LED strip lights on the cabinetry and just under here too, which gives it a really nice glow in the evening. Now, another thing I did notice, which I love, is they actually have the soft close on the cabinetry, which just, again, makes it feel that little bit more premium. There's even more storage just here. These units go the whole length of this room, and just over here, you've got your full height fridge and freezer. Just over here, you've got your island, which is absolutely huge and a real centerpiece of this room. Again, it's finished in the quartz worktop with the waterfall edge. And in here you have your induction hob, which comes with the inset extractor. Just means this space can be used for cooking, dining and relaxing. You actually have 2 different seating options on either side of the island, very handy. Now also just below here, you've got your wine cooler, which is actually, now I prefer this over the coffee machine, and also so much more storage all the way along this side. Now, it's very clear that here they've gone for a very clean and modern kitchen, but here at the New Build Show, we've seen quite a few different options, and that's exactly what we love doing and sharing them with you guys. So if you're a developer and you have a new development that you'd like more people to know about, get in touch with us on hello@thenewbuildshow.com and your house could be featured next. But I can see the garden straight ahead of me and I can't wait to show you, so let's go and have an explore. Welcome to your landscaped rear garden. Now, this is actually a pretty decent size. I know it's going to attract a lot of comment, as all new build gardens do, but this feels very clean, very manageable, and will be perfect for hosting. Out here, you've got your astro lawn, you've got a paved patio, and this very unique stone detailing which goes all the way around and adds a bit of character to the house. You can also see how impressive this home looks from the back. Back inside now through the bifold doors, which make this space even better for entertaining. And just off the kitchen island, you have this more cozy seating area. They've added this feature electric fireplace. And also just here they've added a painting. I personally think a TV would work really well there. You have got all of the sockets and everything set up if you wanted to do so. I'm sure you wouldn't mind doing that when you realise that you could win this home for just £1.99. After I heard that, I did a bit of girl math, and in my head, I basically just saved £600,000 and I've got this house for free. So I had a little bit of a think about all the different things I would spend my £600,000 on. First things first, I'm hiring a private chef for the entire year, 3 meals a day. And on my first day, I'd probably go for poached egg and avocado for breakfast, just a sandwich for lunch, and some salmon for my dinner. Then obviously this becomes the bottomless brunch zone. I'm talking a built-in champagne tap and unlimited espresso martinis. To make use of this outdoor space, I'd probably get a dog, maybe a couple of dogs, or maybe even 100 dogs. I've also thought of a way to make this house look even better from the front. I'm gonna pop a Porsche Macan just there, keeping it practical, but also, why not? I may as well go for a 911 as well. Great for the weekends. And after all of that, I still have quite a lot of money to play with. So I'm gonna go for not 1, but 2 Birkins. Okay, all jokes aside now, I'm back in the room and the dream is over, but it's pretty incredible how much you can actually get for £600,000. So let us know in the comments below what your top picks would be. But let's continue the tour now. There is a dining area just around the corner. This dining area is another wow moment. They were definitely made really great use of the lighting here. The lighting behind the painting really brings it to life and just makes it a bit more of a feature. Now everything does come included in this house as well, so you get absolutely everything that you can see, even the plant pot and this dining table, which seats 6 people, perfect for a 5-bedroom home. Now just opposite me, I can see a utility room, so let's go and check that out. This is such handy extra space to have in here, and it's got the same finishes as we saw in the kitchen, so it feels very cohesive. In here, you just have basically more storage options, and behind me here would be a great place to pop your washer and dryer, and you've even got a sink in here. Back in the entrance hall now, just on my right, you have a home office. A very flexible space. This could also be a playroom, a TV snug, or even a second TV room. But if you do work from home, it would be ideal to keep it how it is. Just here on my left, we have the downstairs toilet, which feels very fancy. And it's those small features that really separate this from a standard new build. So you've got this gold wash basin, and also you've got a wall-mounted toilet. Also on this floor, there's a more formal lounge, which is just through here. This is such a cozy formal lounge and definitely a nice retreat away from the main living spaces. Nice to come in here and get a bit of privacy, maybe put on your favourite film or read your favourite book. Now in here they've done a great job with the staging too, and as I mentioned, everything does come included. You've also got your feature electric fireplace in here, as well as that beautiful ambient inset lighting. Back in the entrance hall now, it is worth noting that there is access just off the entrance here through to your garage. Now there are 5 bedrooms to explore upstairs across 2 floors, and this home features one of the best principal suites that we've seen in a long time. Welcome up to the first floor landing. You can see that we've switched to carpet up here. We still have that gorgeous lighting and also this very large frosted mirror in front of me, which really opens up the space. Now up here, there are 4 bedrooms, so 2 just behind me and 2 either side in front of me. So let's head on into this one first. As you can see, this is currently set up as a children's room, which is very cute and works really well. However, this is actually a really decent sized room. So if you did want it as a spare bedroom, a guest bedroom, you could definitely do that, or even for a child to grow into. There's lots of lovely natural light coming in this bedroom, and it does also have a Jack and Jill bathroom just this way. This bathroom is pretty special. It feels like a spa in here, and there's 2 really cool features. First of all, this mirror is a demisting mirror, and it also turns on that light and it plays music as well, which is pretty cool. But the best one is there's actually a TV just opposite the bath, so that would be pretty nice, wouldn't it, having a soak in there watching your favorite film. It's also finished to really high standards, so you've got floor to ceiling tiling, you've got a wall mounted toilet and that beautiful big bathtub. This is another rear facing double room, another great size, and it overlooks the garden. In here you have space for your double bed. You've got a vanity section just there, and also some built-in storage, which would be ideal for wardrobe space. And this also connects to the Jack and Jill ensuite. Time to explore the further 2 bedrooms. There is also some handy storage up here on the landing and this beautiful big feature window which frames the views very nicely. Let's head on into this bedroom first. This room is currently set up as a snug, which works really well, but there are so many different options and so many different things you could do to this room. So let us know in the comments what you would choose. I was thinking this could work really well as a home gym. They have got a little art section there, maybe an art room if that's what you're into. This would also work so well as a bedroom because of some of the features that it has. Now come and check this out for some storage space. This has censored lighting and look at the size of it. There is so much that you could fit in here. You could have railings in here and have it as a bit of a walk-in wardrobe. This room also benefits from its own private ensuite, which is again finished to a very high standard. Floor to ceiling tiling in here. They've gone for 2 different tones in this one and some lovely black fixtures and fittings. We have a walk-in shower in this one, wall-mounted toilet, and also it has the very cool demisting mirror. This is such a beautiful bedroom and would make the perfect guest suite. This room has its own Juliet balcony with bifold doors and it overlooks those mature green trees. Now in here you have got space for a double bed. You've got space for some cabinetry just behind me, but I think built-in cabinetry could also work really well in here. You've got so much wall space that you could do that with. It also has its own ensuite, very similar in design to the last one we saw. Premium finishes again, and also has that demisting mirror. As usual, I have saved my favorite bedroom until last. Look at this for your principal suite. This entire top floor is just 1 bedroom and it's absolutely huge. So you can get a better understanding of how big this is. Look how much things you can fit in here. So you've got your big double bed, you've got a little seating area there, bench, you've got some cabinetry, you've also got space there for a TV. It is a painting at the moment, but the sockets are there ready for when you move in. And you've even got room for a seating area there as well. And the great thing about it up here is there's still so much natural light, even though we are up here on the top floor. You've got 3 rear privacy glass windows and also a roof light just behind me. You might be able to see a little bit better from this angle just how spacious this bedroom is. It's really such a great size. And I also love how they've continued this cool lighting up here as well. It feels very cohesive. I personally would keep this section as it is, like a little get ready section. You can imagine having your friends over for a few drinks before you go out anywhere and using this area to just chillax and get ready. You've also got a nice big mirror there, and just in front of me is the ensuite. This ensuite feels more like a hotel spa. They have gone into so much detail up here, very luxurious. So they've gone for 3 different tiles. We've got a grey on the floor, bit of green just there, and also this wood effect which brings in a bit of warmth. Now one of the things I've noticed is the sink is wall mounted and so is the toilet, which again just makes it feel more premium. This is a his and hers sinks and they've gone for a gold washed basin and also this beautiful big bath with the TV in it. That brings us to the end of today's tour. I hope you have enjoyed. If you would like to enter this competition and have a go at winning this house for £1.99, all of the information will be in the description box below. So good luck and we'll see you in the next tour. If you want to live just 40 minutes from central London but still come home to a 5-bedroom family home in the countryside, this £1.4 million property might appeal to you.